how to connect Telegram with n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to connect Telegram with n8n step by step. If you have never used n8n before, it is an open source workflow automation tool like Zapier, but way more flexible and affordable. And you can integrate it with Telegram as well. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you need is how to create Telegram bot, and then we will learn how to connect it to n8n. So bot is very necessary to create a connection between n8n and Telegram. So first let's create our bot, and then we will add node. So go into your Telegram and search for a Godfather or bot father, as you can see, and click on the start button. Now you will get to see a lot of options over here. In the top you will get new bot, create a new bot. Just simply click on this write a message box and click on the slash and click on this new create bot. Now all right, it will ask how are we going to call it. Please choose the name. So I'm going to ask to uh, bot or talk with n8n and hit enter. So good. Now let's choose your username for your bot. It must end like bot. Okay. Talk with bot. So sorry, this or okay. Talk with bot, whatever, and hit enter. So okay. So I have to end name with the talk with some letters and then bot. Hit enter. So as you can see here, done. Congratulations on new bot. You will find it on okay. This is our bot link, and this is the HTTP API key. So just copy this, and what you have to do is get back to your n8n and click on your add first step. Search for Telegram and click on it. Now from here you can choose a trigger on a callback query, on channel post. So what I'm going to do is I will select, so I will choose an action which is the send message. If you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see send. Okay, I have to find that send a photo, send a text message. Here we go. So okay, so I'm using to send a message. On click on this select credential, click on this credential and add this access token. Now before you save this, what you have to do, get back to your Telegram and click on this bot. So you can pin this bot on your, as you can see, you have to pin your bot over here. Now let's move back to our n8n and connect it. Click on the save, wait for a few seconds, and as you can see here, it is testing. So our connection is testing has been successfully. Now just simply remove. Now from here you can choose your resource, operation, a chat ID as well. If you're unsure, just send a message to the bot first and then use Telegram trigger node if you want to do that. So just send a message first, hello, and wait for a few seconds. Maybe it's not working. So chat ID is required, parameters. So I have chosen the Telegram as a triggered on a message. So it will triggered on a something of message. So as you can see here, so let me execute the stop, click on it, and whatever I enter over here, it will listen this message. As you can see here, this is text, this is state type, and this is private. So yeah, this is how you can connect it. Now we have set up the connection. Now let's set up the security. So in order to do that, just simply click on this plus icon so no one can read your message. So simply click on this F. So and put this into your workflow and click on it. Now what you have to do is just simply drag this ID into value. Now into from here into second field, what you have to do is just simply click on it and go into numbers and search choose is equal to. Now in this, you have to enter your ID and then paste it over here. Now from here, you can execute the step. As you can see here, no one can, after that, it will accept only what your private messages. So the security concern is gone. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.